Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the list-owned assets node. If you don't know what a list-owned assets node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the List-Owned Assets Node, which you can access here. Let's get started. Drag a list-owned assets node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information based on your needs to each field. Wire this node to a debug node and open the debug sidebar. Next, drag and drop an inject node to the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the list-owned assets node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the drop-down payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this. Click the Done button. Then click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results. Great job! Now move on to the next video where you'll learn how to work with the list-owned assets node in interactive mode.